to another video. You are watching Phones on Today with me, Garishma. Today we are going to talk about Nokia's E Series 66. Yes, Nokia E Series 66 के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out here, we can say this was a slider phone. Yes, this was a slider phone out here, which has got really amazing features and amazing things out there. रिलीज की बात करें कब ये लॉन्च हुआ था तो इट वाज लॉन्च इन ईयर 2008 आउट देयर. इसके बाद ही सीरीज जो है सी सीरीज का इन्वेंशन हुआ एंड दे वर लॉन्च आउट एंड few were really nice because people really like the keypad version out there more than the touch or any kind of a variant. Now let us compare it or we can say let us see how is it different from the other series. When we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out here, you can see that this variant definitely has got a lot of specifications. The camera could be seen out here. Yes, you can see the camera out here. You can see that it has got a slide up wave variant out there. Everything is out here. We will not say that it's a touch type variant because the screening is not of touch variant out there. The variant out here, when we talk about this variant, it is a light-weighted variant because it has got a weightage which is less than 121 grams. Yes, 121 or you can say 130 से भी less weight इसका है. And when we talk about the screen or we talk about the size, this is 2.4 inches size phone. Yes, 2.4 inches का size है इसका. And talking about this variant, it has got Symbian operating system out here, and you can have a look of this variant when it is slide up. Yes, when it's slide up, it looks like this. We have already compared this variant with a lot of variants out here in the E series itself, and expandability is required for this variant. Why expandability is required? Because having a storage capacity of 110 MB does not go well with the variants which have a camera, MP3 players out there, and phone book entries are there. A lot of things are there. So it needs expandability. Expandability की बात करें तो इसमें अच्छी खासी expandability भी देखने को मिल रही है, and you also get to see 128 MB RAM. Now when we talk about this variant, it has got 3.15 megapixel camera, 3.15 megapixel camera with a front camera inbuilt. Yes, you can video call with a selfie camera out here, and LED flashlight is already inbuilt in it. You will see that it has got 2.5 mm jack. Yes, you will get to see 2.5 mm jack with this, as well as you also get to see that you are able to have recordings, FM, voicemails. You can have the uh, MP3 player, every other specifications like organizations, call direct, everything is possible out in this variant. Offering you 1000 mAh battery is also an okayish version out there. Yes, you can say that offering 1000 mAh battery back then was a okay variant. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that we don't want to invest a lot of money, but we would like to invest some. So, one such site offers an amazing pricing for this, and the site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site I'm talking about. The site name is phonezone.ae. Here you get to see your favorite gadgets from these reputed brands. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets so that you do not miss out any of the variant out here. So we can search this on the search bar. So this is the result of our search out here. And when we talk about the results, when we talk about the result, we have seen this description box. You'll get to see this description box which has all the specifications written. Yes, all the specifications have been mentioned out here. And when we talk about this variant, there's a condition written on the top, refurbished condition. So we can talk about refurbished condition and let us know how is it different from other, and talk how is it same or whether brand new is different or not. So let us talk about this and check whether it's good to invest in refurbished or not. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished, when we say the word refurbished and when we talk about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished product means creating something new, like, or we can say something from the old one to the new one, something like that we can say. Or if we go with the terminology of refurbished, we can say that it is exactly the same product as it was original with better, we can say, usage capacity now. But like we can say that this is quite a similar product as it was earlier. Whereas brand new is brand new, which is always, we can say, is dedicated or has been brought up by the company or the base out there. Refurbished और brand new में ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता. We won't say that there's a difference out here. Refurbished and brand new both are quite similar. They are actually similar. Why they are similar? Why they are, we say they are quite same? Because the path where brand new ends, मतलब जहाँ brand new का path end होता है, वहीं से refurbished का path start होता है. Yes, it starts from there. Now, when we talk about refurbished product, it is extension of brand new. Yes, brand new extension कहा जा सकता है. How? We know the passage for brand new. It's the company out there which brings any gadget, any model out in the market. The company, then marketplace is there, then the user or the consumer out there. Now the end the brand new है, मतलब brand new यहाँ पर आके खत्म हो जाता है. अब इसका extension क्या है? Now the user wants to sell its used phone out है और pre-owned phone out है. So it is sold out to the marketplace. Here the user becomes the base and the marketplace remains the same. Now it is again used by the another user. Yes, this is the extension to it. So we can say this is almost the same thing out there. Now when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar because the tests are actually same. इनकी पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, टेस्ट जो हम करते हैं, स्पेसिफिकेशन सेम होती है, सब कुछ सेम होता है. When talking about this, we can say that refurbished product और brand new product में क्या similarity है? We can say that the brand new products out there, brand new products में हम connectivity देखते हैं, speakers देखते हैं, camera देखते हैं, display देखते हैं, everything related to the internal factors, external factors, everything is seen out there. So do we see in the refurbished product. Now coming back to refurbished products parameter, we check the display. Yes, when we check the display, we check whether it's working properly or not, whether it has any scratch or not, whether it's broken or not. Buttons has to be checked. Yes, all the buttons, keypads out there has to be checked. Camera quality, video quality, audio quality has to be checked. The external factors like these scratches, we already checked. The battery out there, battery has to be checked out. Then we have to check out all the factors which are involved internally, like the operating system. Yes, operating system check करना होता है. CPU, GPU, उसका GPS अगर है, accelerometer, gyrometer, compass, all the internal factors involving it, like sim recognition है, data wiping है, everything, each and everything has to be checked. So overall, we have 29 big parameters out there and sub parameters in each category, like एक internal factors हो जाते हैं. So these 29 parameters says that yes, this is one of the good variant out there. जब ये टेस्ट हो जाते हैं, then it is given a certificate that yes, refurbished products are good to use. Now when we talk about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products have few benefits. Number one, उनके advantages क्या कह सकते हैं? The benefit is like it gives you savings. Yes, you get to have savings. Now when we talk about savings, we can say you can save up to 15%. How? Because you get pocketable rates for your favorite products. Yes, when we talk about pocketable rates, brand new products are exclusively high rated products out there. Yes, when they are launched, they are quite high rated, and you can save up to 15%. When we talk about this brand new product, we can say they offers you 1 year warranty period. And when we don't buy it from sites or we don't have a condition written out on the phones, then you don't get the warranty period. But for refurbished products, you get warranty of 6 months. 6 महीने की वारंटी पीरियड भी मिलती है, so you get to have 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 70 exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 70 exchange policy along with that. So we can say that this is good variation out here. Profitable rates है, savings है, 6 months warranty है, 70 exchange policy, everything is out here, so you can definitely enjoy it. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about refurbished products, the site we were talking about, the site we have been looking for a very long time, the site phoneZone.ae, which I am highlighting, is the site out here. PhoneZone.ae provides you a good variety or a good variance out there. We can say yes. We can say that this provides you good variety out there. Not just one brand out here, not just one brand. There are n number of brands in the category of all mobile phones. Whereas when we talk about the site, on this site you get to see that 6 months warranty, 70 exchange policy is already there. You get to have this policy. Apart from that, you get to have additional benefits of COD and free shipping. Yes, you get to have COD and free shipping out there, which says that you get to have free delivery out at your doorsteps. And delivery timing might vary for 48 hours to 1 week, like 48 hours in most of the parts of UAE on this site, whereas it might take up to a week time for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take a week time, but for rest of the places it takes just 48 hours. So you can check out the website for best pricing or call on helpline number. Description has the link. You can check it out. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.